Hi folks, this is the weekly summary of Maine studies. I want to share with you what we are starting to work on in Maine studies this week, and that is the impact of Maine climate change. What we plan on doing is looking at the greenhouse effect, how that occurs. I'll blow this up a little bit for you. There we go. And we'll discuss how the sun warms the Earth's surface and how how a small layer of pollutants keep that temperature a little bit warmer than it would be if the warmth was able to naturally leave during the evenings. Climate change, the warming temperatures, the greenhouse effects, lead to climate change. That means that climate over time is a little bit different, a little bit cooler, a little bit warmer. As gases keep the warmth in, it changes the climate. Water gets warmer, the ocean water, the ice pack melts a bit. We have more droughts and wildfires. We have more different types of precipitation where we have storms of all snow. We have mixed storms. Climate is different than weather. Weather is your daily, what's happening from day to day. If today's cold, that's the weather of the day. The 5-day forecast is the weather going on right now. Climate is temperatures and atmospheric conditions over time. So the global warming, which is caused by the greenhouse effect, like greenhouses in like Broadway gardens, causes the warmth to increase, causes climate change. The climate that we live in over time may impact the weather from day to day, but climate is a long-term term. We then go, I have a video for you that explains this process. Then we zero in on Maine, the lobster industry in Maine, the impact of Maine's coast. As the water warms along the eastern coast, the lobsters follow the colder water. Right now, Maine is in the sweet spot because the lobsters living off the coast of Rhode Island, Massachusetts, are sort of migrating up off the coast of Maine. But scientists believe that as our water increases, those lobsters will move farther north into Canada. Here's another video that we deal with. Then we talk about how Maine towns are banding together to tackle the issue of beach erosion. As the water rises, the sand and the soil erosion increases. Southern Maine towns are banding together to try to stop that erosion. We then take a bigger picture, we go worldwide, and we go up to Greenland and have a video about how the ice pack is melting. Not only do you see some beautiful photography about the melting glaciers, but you'll also see the impact that warming temperatures have on the ice pack. You see this also on another video presented by 60 Minutes about the melting ice caps. We then get into the other side of where things are the ice is melting and things are getting warm in the ice pack. We then go to the west coast, take a look at the fires caused by increasing drought and rising temperatures and the connection to climate change. We'll go to the Amazon rainforest, see what we're doing, what's happening down there that is increasing the likelihood of deforestation. Remember, forests provide clean air. They provide for an exchange of carbon dioxide for pure oxygen, clean oxygen, not pure oxygen. When you disrupt that exchange and you release more carbon into the air, that warms the temperatures, creating greater climate change. We go into how fires in Australia may cause floods and different torrential typhoons and hurricanes in other parts of the world. is there a link from fire to floods? And then changing the landscape of New England, how climate change is changing what we do. Okay? As you go through the slideshow, again, as with everything else, please go through match the slide to the organizer. Remember, here's slides 2, 3, and 4. Just what is global warming? What role does global warming play? Answer those questions. And how can you answer them? The answers are contained in the slides. If you can answer those questions, you have really analyzed those slides really well. Slides 5 and 6 has to do with the Maine. Slide 8 and 9 has to do with the warming of the ice caps, Greenland. Then you get into slide 10, and that's where the fires, the drought. Is there an upside to the warming waters of climate change? There's an answer in the video. What role does the forest play in balancing our environment? That answer is in the video. So listen to the video and respond to these questions. And at the end of all this, there is an essential question. Discuss the terms: weather, global warming, climate change. What are consequences of climate change? And what are some of the solutions? Just share with me your thoughts and opinions. We're not there yet. We'll get to this on Monday and Tuesday. But that is a quick summary of what we did during the week of September 21st. See you next Monday and Tuesday. Have a wonderful weekend, and I hope this summary was helpful for you. Take care. Bye-bye.